create a page using Gutenberg, and then let's import the content to Cornerstone, or should I say manually import the content to Cornerstone. So I'll just add in some text here, and maybe let's try a latest post, and let's try to add in an image. Let's try this. So let's update this first, and let's try editing in Cornerstone to see what will happen. Okay, so I've previously experimented with this page. So I've used Cornerstone in this page. So the data is still here, but if this is the first time that you've switched to Cornerstone, this page will be blank. So as you can see, the content we've created with Gutenberg is not here. So let's try to go back to the page. By the way, don't save the content, because Cornerstone will override your content created with Gutenberg or the classic WordPress editor, or any editor for that instance. So we're back here in Gutenberg. And let's add the content to Cornerstone. So what we can do here is switch to the code editor. It's Control Shift Alt M, and copy all, Control A, and Control C here, or just right click, and then switch to Cornerstone. Okay, so I'll just delete this old section here, and oh sorry, I'll just add a new section. Then let's wait for Cornerstone to load, and to import the Gutenberg contents, you need to use the text element here, Let's try the v2 one first. So paste in the code that you've copied. So there, as you can see, the Gutenberg latest post does not work in here, so you can use the v2. Let's try the classic text. So you can use either of these elements here. With the v2, you just have more styling options. So let's save this, and let's view this in the front end and see if the Gutenberg recent post works. So Gutenberg recent post works here. So we have the paragraph, the image, and the Gutenberg's post. So hope that helps.